Dad, I have to write an essay for school. It's about my family.
That's a fantastic topic. What exactly are the requirements?
I just need to describe my family in a few paragraphs. It feels a bit hard to know where to begin, though.
Don't worry, we can figure it out together. Why don't you try saying a simple sentence first?
My family is important to me.
That's a great starting point. To make it more detailed, you could say something like, "My family is the most important part of my life, and we share many unforgettable memories."
My family is the most important part of my life, and we share many unforgettable memories.
Perfect. Now, let's go person by person. How about you start with me?
My dad's name is Mark. He works as an architect.
Good. What do I do every day, and what kind of work is it?
You design beautiful buildings. You spend your days drawing on a computer and meeting with clients.
That's accurate. How would you describe my personality?
You are very patient, and you always encourage me to try new things.
I'm glad you think so. What do we enjoy doing together on the weekends?
We go fishing at the lake. Sometimes we go to the movie theater and watch adventure films.
Sounds like a good way to spend a weekend. Now, let's talk about your mom.
My mom's name is Lisa. She's an artist.
That's right. What does she like to create?
She paints beautiful landscapes and portraits. She has a studio at home.
And what is she like as a person?
She is very creative and organized. She always helps me with my art projects.
She is a great help. What about her hobbies outside of art?
She loves reading. She always has a new book with her, usually a classic novel.
Good. Now, what about your sister?
I have an older sister named Chloe.
Tell me about her. What's she like?
She is very smart and ambitious. She studies a lot for her exams.
That she is. What does she enjoy doing in her free time?
She loves playing the guitar. She's really good at it.
That's a nice hobby. Do you two spend time together?
Yes, we go to the library together. We also listen to music and sing.
Now let's talk about your grandparents. Do you see them often?
Yes, we visit them every other weekend. Grandpa likes to play chess. Grandma likes to bake cookies.
That's great. What do you do when you visit them?
We play board games and listen to their childhood stories.
Those are special moments. How about you? What will you say about yourself?
I am a high school student. I am good at math.
You've talked about everyone so well. Would you like to include some family activities and celebrations as well?
Yes. On Fridays, we have family game night, and we laugh a lot. On Christmas, we all have dinner together and share gifts.
And what do you do for your birthdays?
On every birthday, Mom makes a special cake.
That's a very nice detail. It will make your essay even more interesting. Good. What do you enjoy doing in your spare time?
I love playing video games with my friends. I also play the violin in the school orchestra.
That's great. You've done a wonderful job describing everyone. How will you conclude your essay?
I will say, my family is a team. We always support each other.
That's a beautiful way to put it. You are definitely ready for your homework.
Thanks, Dad. That was so helpful.